Hey, why don't you get down? Come here. Hiccups. Again. Oh. Hiccups are so bad. They suck. Okay. Oh, there it goes again. So I stand by what I said. Drink water, and when you drink water, you want to take it. Oh. You drink water, and then you're actually gonna bend your, lean forward and drink, swallow the water upside down. Oh, for the love. I can't even get out a sentence. Okay. So, no joke. Okay, water is just water. If it was whiskey, I don't know if it would work. But, so you take the water. Let's give it a moment. I know hiccups. What? Oh. What? Oh. No hiccups. What? No. No hiccups. Oh. Oh, hey, you shouldn't be drinking that. That's a lot of sugar. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah.